I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming permissions and gathering the exact education details you want to change. Once ready, open Superset and click your avatar in the top bar, then select Profile or Account Settings. You do this because some fields only appear when you have edit rights, so check now. Make sure phone or email verification is complete if required, and prepare to edit fields like institution, degree, and dates. This speeds the process and avoids repeated saves. You'll now perform the core changes. Click Edit on the Education section and modify each field deliberately. For the school name, type the full official name to match directory entries. For degree, use the provided dropdown so Superset maps it correctly. Once you change dates, double-check start and end years to avoid chronological errors. If there is a description or certificate field, paste plain text, and if multiple entries are needed, add them one at a time so you can validate each save. Finish by saving and verifying your updates in the profile view. You should see a confirmation notice. If not, try saving again. Once saved, review any places Superset exposes profile info, such as user lists or shared dashboards, to make sure the update propagated. If an edit fails, clear your browser cache and re-login. Make sure there are no validation errors like future end dates. If problems persist, capture a screenshot and contact your Superset admin for permission or server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.